The On-Order Report, a live view of everything you've bought but haven't received yet. This is Mark's Shoes. Every open purchase order across your stores in one place. Cards along the top clearly summarize your open orders, dollars on order at cost and retail, quantity of open orders, and quantity of open units. Two more cards break it down by product type and supplier. Click columns to choose which columns appear. Toggle them on or off, and drag to reorder them. Your view saves when you close it and returns each time you log in, or reset to default anytime. An export CSV downloads exactly what's shown in your current view. Each row is a transfer. The transfer link ID ties it back to the actual transfer interface within your Shopify admin. In Shopify, a purchase order is the document you create and send to your vendor. Linking that PO to a transfer is what puts the units on order, and once received in Shopify, they're added to that store's inventory. Now let's filter. Every card in total updates live. Filter by destination to isolate one store's incoming buy, here Chicago, or by supplier, everything on the way from Hoka. Narrow to open transfer still in transit. Filter by product type like trail, or by any tag you've applied to your products. Filter by estimated arrival, the next 30, 60, or 90 days, or set a custom date range. Flag what's past due, 30, 60, or 90 plus days late, or just search by product name or transfer number. Clear filters and you're back to the full picture. Click any row to preview it in the side drawer, dock to the right. Order dates, receiving progress, and the linked PO without leaving the report. For variant level detail, open the full page. Here's the complete transfer. Units ordered, received, and still outstanding. And every variant, color, size, and width, with unit cost and receiving status. So you always know exactly what's on order down to the unit. Click the transfer link ID and you jump straight into Shopify's own transfer section. There's the linked PO, its supplier origin, store destination, and everything received. On Order, powered by Management One.